Good afternoon, good wet afternoon here at Barclay Motor Company. It's raining. Right, just taking this in part exchange. Freelander 2 2.2. So this is a TD4 HSE, top of the range, manual diesel. 120,000 miles on an 0858, but had the cam belt replaced at 93,000 miles, and at 102 had a new clutch and dual mass flywheel. £3,695. Nice car, mechanically A1, pile of invoices and 8 services stamped in the book. Cam belt done, new clutch and dual mass. Now, nice car, but does have some rust on the rear wheel arches, but big spec, drives lovely. I'll show you the rust. Front arches perfect, this side perfect. New disc and pads on the back, tyres are good. Now there's a rusty wheel arch there. Tow bar. It is literally just some rust bubbles on the rear wheel arches. But a cheap car, well spec'd and mechanically A1. Alpine Hi-Fi, black leather electric seats which are heated. Sunroofs, front one tilts and slides, all working. Multifunction steering wheel. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth, heated seats, armrests, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. Nice condition this car, apart from some rust bubbles on the rear wheel arches, which we've taken into account in the price of £3,695. MOT till the 10th of the 10th, 2024. Park sensors, load cover, full size spare alloy wheel. You know, nice car, just could do with a little bit of attention at some time to the rear wheel arches. Front wheel arches and everywhere else sound. Again, nice wheels, new brakes on the back, rust on the wheel arch. Doors, no rust at all. Front wings, no rust at all, no rust anywhere else. £3,695, great history. Been spending a lot of money mechanically on this car. Cam belt, clutch, dual mass flywheel, electric driver's seat with memories, heated seats, twin sunroofs, multifunction steering wheel, 120,136 miles, MOT till the 10th of the 10th, 24. 3695, good 4x4 for that money. Right, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Freelanders in stock. Probably got several. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. If you head over there, you can watch it over and over again, and there's nearly 2,000 other car videos. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be the first person to know about it if you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.